From this screen, I can benchmark the different installations. It's important that those installations have already went through the cleaning advisor and operation advisor. Otherwise, we won't be able to run the benchmark. In this case, I have already one case where all the data is ready. So in this case, our operation advisor, I pick train 2 as a data that is ready for benchmarking, and I can take a different train or a different unit, or from the same train, if I had train 1 ready, I could select it. In this case, I can pick another system, click here, and the system will run the benchmark for both. I can select cleaning advisor benchmarking or lifetime advisor benchmarking. Once I have the train selected, I can click on benchmark report. In this case, I'll just select both so that it can run both at the same time. The report is generated as an Excel document, and it's a comparison of the data for each train. Here I have train 2 and the RU units, and here are all the information that was calculated and compared. From this page, I can benchmark the different plans. I can benchmark different trains from the same train, from the same unit, or I can benchmark between two different units. Here I click on benchmark plans and identify the units that are available for benchmarking. In this case, I only have train 2 from this installation and train 1 from this installation. As I select both, I have to select the trains I want to compare. I can select that I only want to compare the cleaning advisor results, lifetime advisor results, or both. In this case, I will click both and generate the benchmark report. And I can save the report on my computer. As I open the Excel document, I will see all the data that was generated in our operation advisors for the 2 trains I'm comparing in this Excel document. Here I look at the financial savings for each, the CIP predictions, CIP history, the CIP details used for the cleaning, the benchmark for cleaning effectiveness, the filing type, and the lifetime estimate. Since the data is the same used in both examples, that's why we see the same